Hi friends, today I am sharing my secret recipe of apricot. It's easy, having the taste of sweet and spice. You can enjoy this with bread or you can eat it with a plain boiled rice. So let's begin and let me talk about the ingredient and procedure. So first of all, you need fresh and a good quality of apricots. I am taking 5 pieces of apricot or Khobani. So after it, you will wash and cut into a slices. Along with that, we will use some other ingredients. First, brown sugar. We will take 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Red crushed chilies, quarter teaspoon. Regular salt, quarter teaspoon. Black salt, 1 pinch. And a adrak powder or a ginger powder, quarter teaspoon. So add the brown sugar in the cutted slices of apricot, quarter teaspoon of salt, mix them well and leave for almost 30 minutes to mix it gently. After 30 minutes, add the red crushed chilies, black salt, almost a pinch, this is the time to add ginger powder, almost quarter teaspoon, mix them well. Take a pan and preheat 1 tablespoon of oil. Pour the mixture and cook for 2 minutes. Stir the spoon consistently. It's complete. Dish out and serve or garnish with well crushed almonds. So I have sprinkled some almonds and it's ready to eat. You can enjoy it with bread or plain rice. The use of brown sugar enhances the sweetness of apricot and the crushed red chilies adding the spice. So it's so easy and very tasty. I hope so you will try the recipe and let me know in a comment section how was your experience with this. Till then, goodbye.